Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, we are going to be replacing the oil on the 2016 Nissan Altima with the 2.5 liter. So let's pop the hood and let's begin. All right, so you want to go to the driver's side and pull the hood latch. And then right above the emblem, this yellow tab is the hood latch. Just pull it to the side and you can lift up the hood. And then you want to put the hood thing right here into the hole. We got an arrow. So now we're going to drive the car up onto the ramps, and then we're going to open the oil cap. All right, and then we're going to open the oil cap. When you open the drain plug, this allows the oil to flow more smoothly. All right, and then we're going to go underneath the car, and we're going to remove the 14 mil drain bolt. Oh, it wasn't even tight. All right, so we're going to drain that. All right, and then once it's drained, we're going to hand tighten it back on. And then we're going to tighten it. All right. And then by the passenger wheel, we're going to pull back this splash guard, and underneath it resides the oil filter, which is right here. Normally there would be like a strap and there'll be a grommet here, but this one doesn't have it. But then we're going to get an oil wrench thing, and we're going to pry this off. And I'll try to bring it closer. So that's the oil filter right here. So I'm gonna take that out and move the camera because I gotta move slightly closer so I can take that out. I got it loose. Hopefully my head wasn't blocking the camera. Now we can take this out. And we're gonna let that drain before we put the new filter. All right, so we're gonna get a new filter. I'm gonna dip it so the lip could get oil on it. You never wanna apply this dry. And then we're going to hand tighten the filter back on. Sorry about that. So the new filter's in. Now we could, so depending on your region and all that, always look into your owner's manual, because the Nissan Altima uses 2 different oils. So depending where you live, see where it goes. For this particular one, it uses, I'm putting the whole sticker off. This uses ZW20. When I'm using full synthetic, I always like using full synthetic on any cars. And there's ones that use 5W30. So check your owner's manual to see which oil type your Altima uses. So I'm gonna get the funnel, and then we're gonna refill this baby. All right, so now we're gonna put the funnel in. Alright. Close the cap. Alright, so now we're in the car. We are going to not start the car, but mute that. So now what you want to do, hit back on the steering wheel. Let's start the car. Alright, it's going to let me. Then you want to, let me do this. Alright, so now we're going to toggle this up to settings. Then you want to go down to maintenance, push enter, service, reset, press that. Now this one's 0 miles. Go back, other. All right, that's good. So hit back. All right. And then if you also want to reset the trip, go to this, press and hold, it will reset to 0. Press it again, it'll go to trip B, press and hold, and that will all go to 0. And then push it again, and then it'll show the mileage. So we're gonna start the car. The maintenance light should be off now. And voila. So that's how you do an oil change on the 2016 Nissan Altima. This goes for 2013 all the way to 2017 Nissan Altimas with the 2.5 liter, and also how to reset the maintenance light. So that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.